Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you how to use Cool Cove AC Portable Evaporative Air Cooler. So you might be wondering what is Cool Cove here that you may be hearing online. So Cool Cove is a compact portable device combining both cooling and heating functions in one unit. Now that's according to them. Now using what the brand calls a rapid cool airflow system. Now in cooling mode here, it draws in surrounding air, passes it through an internal evaporative cooling chamber, and circulates it back out as cooled air. Now, the site notes this happens fully inside the unit without a window, hose, or a water tank to empty. Now, in heating mode here, an internal heating element warms incoming air before circulating it, so it offers adjustable fan speeds, wall-mounted design, and is stated to cover rooms up to around 549 square feet, cooling down to 70 Fahrenheit degrees on heating or heating up to like 113 Fahrenheit, depending on room insulation and layout. Now, listed safety features include overheating protection, overload protection, short circuit protection, and an anti-scalding grill. Now, how to exactly use this? Now, according to them, you just need to place the unit on a flat, stable surface near a power outlet or wall, mount it per the site's design, plug it in, and turn it on. Now, choose either cooling or heating mode here, then adjust the temperature, fan, or end fan speed here to preference. Now, position the airflow towards the area you want conditioned. Clean the air filter regularly to maintain performance. Now, on the pricing side here, the site lists a regular pricing of around $199.98 per device, discounted to the $53.99 in the current promotion. Now, with a separate FAQ mentioning a basic device package at around $89.99. So, we're checking the specific package selected at checkout since bundle options and stated prices vary across the site's own page here. But yeah, so currently you can buy one for like $89.99 each. So they do have bundles in here as well if you want to buy that. Now, if you do have any questions, you could also reach out to them by going to one of their websites here and going to either the contact us page or viewing their frequently asked questions. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.